Hello, welcome to another vlog. Right now we are in Sabang, Puerto Galera. Ayan. Ito yung Sabang. They call it Sabang Beach, Puerto Galera, but it's mostly diving. See? Bikini bar over there. Daming pumupuntang vlogger dito. May napanood kami na vlogger na si Pili. Ayan, nagda-dive sila kasi they like diving, like that one, bikini bar. Ayun, tingnan nyo guys, ang ganda. Do they have a nice sunset here? No? Yan yung mga establishment nila. Pero it's not much of a beach kasi it's full of diving boats. And this is diving capital of the Philippines is Puerto Galera, Mindoro. That's what they said. It's nice corals, you see everything, but I heard it's very expensive if you want to learn or get a lesson for diving. I heard it's about 50,000 pesos. Kasi yung caretaker ng inuupahan namin, he does assist for diving, and I asked him how much. He says about 50,000 pesos the whole course. Yeah. I'm asking because I want to learn how to yung pag mag-relax ba sa tubig, kasi I'm not I don't know how to swim properly, but now that I know how to float a little bit. Tingnan nyo guys, ang ganda ng bahay. Ganda. And Ocean Bay 101. Tapos yung mountain view. Tingnan yung mountain. Doon. Ayan. Ayan, ganda. Ayan. Para siyang Little Italy. No? Looks like Little Italy. Looks like Little Italy. This is Sabang, Puerto Galera. They call it Sabang Beach, but it's not much of a beach. Ayan. That's a nice resort right there. Oh, di ba? Oh, yan. Yan. So you can only walk up to there? I see. Hanggang doon lang daw guys sa may greenhouse doon. Doon sa may greenhouse. Doon. Yan. Kami naglalakad-lakad. Hanap kami ng makakainan. Wave siya. Ayan. You see anything where to eat? Ayan. Ito pala yung Sabang Beach. Sabang Beach. Pero it's mostly diving. Keep diving. Ayan. Diving. Koreano, Chinese, mahilig sila sa diving. Ayan. Ayan, dami dito mga foreigner. Full Garera Cruise, 2,500 only. Dami yan, mga boats for diving. Diyan nila pinapark. Dinadak nila dyan. Ayan. Mga resort. Mahilig sila mag-diving. Ayan. Available rooms start at 1,500. May nightlife pa dito sa gabi, guys. Dito daw yung party, pag gabi yan. Those best coffee. Once they have like a little town. Oh look, shawarma. You try that? Shawarma. It's like beef. Maraming tao. Welcome to Blue Water Dive Resort. Ayan. There guys, tingnan nyo guys. Sea blue. Ay, sea blue. Sea queen. Ayan, ang ganda. Pwede maglakad-lakad dito. Exercise Exercise. Papawis. Yan pala ng tawag. Ang ganda din doon sa taas, mountain view. Yan. Oh, ganda. Yan. Sabang Beach Club. Papa Spreads Resort. Dito daw yung nightlife pagdating ng gabi. Daming mga banda nagtutuktok. They play yan. Tapos ikot mo. Ayan. Parang siyang ano tawag doon, nalala ko yung sa mga movie, yung parang Italy, yung tawag nila Little Italy sa mga movie, yung mga houses sa ano sa taas, tapos di kulay, colorful houses. Yun. Diba? Ayan. Ayan yung sinasabi ko kanyang greenhouse. Yan. Tingnan nyo yan. Dito na ako sa baba niyan. Ganda-ganda ng mga ano dito. Mga resort. May kamahalan nga lang. Ayan. Tingnan nyo. Resort sa tuktok ko. Yan. Diving capital of the Philippines. Mga pangalan ng mga resort niya: Paradise Dive Resort, Ocean Dream Lodge. Yan. Mga ano nila. Ganda. Ayun lang guys. Nakita ko lang sa inyo kung nasaan kami. Ito ay Sabang Oriental Merendoro. Sabang. Bye.